The Vice-Chancellor, Professor Nyaudoh Ndaeyo, cordially invites the university community and the general public to the 120th inaugural lecture of the University of Uyo. This distinguished lecture will be delivered by Professor Kenneth Nnamdi Opara, a leading scholar in public health parasitology and medical entomology, Department of Animal and Environmental Biology, Faculty of Biological Sciences, University of Uyo. Professor Opara is recognized for his impactful research and leadership in the field of public health, particularly in the study and control of parasitic diseases. He has contributed significantly to advancing knowledge and public health interventions, both within Nigeria and internationally. Join us as he delivers his inaugural lecture, titled The Invisible Threads, Parasites, Vectors, and the Interwoven Future of One Health. Date: Thursday, October 9th, 2025. Time: 3 o'clock in the afternoon. Venue: 1,000-seater TETFund Auditorium, University of Uyo Main Campus, Nwaniba Road, Uyo. Guests are to be seated by 2:45 in the afternoon. Announcer: Mrs. Blossom Okori, Registrar and Secretary to Senate.